Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Omnipod 5 not connecting to Dexcom G7 in 2026. So first of all, you need to make sure that your Omnipod 5 system actually supports Dexcom G7. Now, not all the regions or firmware versions are updated yet. So you can go to your controller or app and then you can basically check for the software update. If there is an update available, you just have to install it before trying it again. Also confirm that your Dexcom G7 sensor is active and paired properly. If the sensor isn't fully started, the connection won't work. Now let's fix the pairing issue. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to turn off the Bluetooth on your controller or your phone. Then you just have to wait for 10 seconds and then you just have to turn it back on. Now go to the device settings. In the device settings, you just have to remove any existing Dexcom connection. After that, simply restart both the devices. After restarting, open the Omnipod application, then reconnect your Dexcom G7 from scratch. Just make sure that both the devices stay close during the pairing. Now, sometimes it's just a signal problem, so you can keep your Omnipod and Dexcom sensor on the same side of your body. Avoid thick walls, metal objects, or long distance between the devices. Also, you need to check that no other phone is connected to Dexcom at the same time because multiple connections can also block the pairing. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.